Hello and welcome to IFS YouTube videos. I'm Jerry Browning and I'm the Product Manager for Enterprise Asset Management at IFS. In this video we're going to report in on a work task to replace a proximity sensor on an injection molding machine using the Maintenance Engineer's Technician portal. We're going to overview a task created to replace this sensor. Then we're going to pick up the task in the Maintenance Engineer Technician portal and walk through the steps required to perform the task, complete reporting in on the work task using the debriefing wizard. First, we're going to start by looking at the work task. We scroll down, we can notice the work steps that are required to perform this task. We can see the resource required to do this and the material required, which is the proximity sensor. So, moving on over to the Technician portal. If we go down to Technician Portals, Maintenance Engineer, and Maintenance Engineer once again, here we see the Maintenance Engineer Technician portal. You can see that it shows the ongoing assignments, ones that have been assigned, the unassigned one, which is where we're going to start, as well as a few other items that we're not going to get into in this video. So let's open up the unassigned. Since our user is in the Mechanics Resource group and this task has been released, it will show up in our unassigned tasks. You see our injection molding machine, the durations in hours, so I can either accept, start work, or just go ahead and complete it. I'm going to go ahead and select Start Work. Alright, this has brought me to the Work Details page. The first thing I need to do is go ahead and issue the material. Okay, now we're going to go back to the work details. From here we're going to go to the task steps and we're going to complete each one. I'm going to go ahead and report my time and report time. I'm going to go back to the work details. Now that I've done all the work and reported my time, I can go ahead and complete the work order, which will open the debrief wizard. I'm going to go ahead and hit Next, which will take me to the customer signature. So in this case, we can pretend like the production manager needs to sign off on this work before I conclude it. And then if I hit Next, it'll require my signature. And now we'll go ahead and finish the work task. Alright, so we've concluded this work task. If we go back to the Maintenance Engineer Technician portal, we can see that task has gone to the completed work tasks. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the IFS YouTube channel.